First day I get to come out and ride on my bike, and I'm so excited that I forget to bring my microphone. So the voice you hear, the sound you hear, is coming through the GoPro, which is not that great. All right, so quick test of the Tello in the wind. It's pretty windy out here. All right, can do a quick takeoff. Well, there goes the Tello. Is it gonna stop? Is it gonna stop? Is it gonna? It's still going. Oh, it's crashing in the tree now. There, it's hung up on a tree. Nice Tello. Great. 75. Oh, there's the Tello up there. There's the water down there. Somehow, I have to get over there. Okay, this is not turning out to be a good day. All right, I need to make some sort of pole. Let's see, I got a stick here. Oh, another stick here. I can connect these together. Let's see what else we can find. I don't want to jump in there. I don't want to jump in there. One thing everybody on a motorcycle should have is duct tape. It's amazing what you can find over by garbage cans. This looks like it's designed for one to go inside the other. Yes. This is what I got to poke the Tello with and get it on here, and hopefully it doesn't fall off into the water, or else, well, that's it for the Tello, because Tellos are not waterproof. Stay out of the water down there. All right. Hopefully that Tello's not too heavy. This might not even be long enough. Oh no! Oh no! Look it! It's not long enough. It's all icy down here. How deep is this? I need like a place to put my foot without falling in. As soon as you slide in, well, that's it. You're wet then. Oh, look at this. I could touch it. Okay, let's try the top one without. If I scrub. Oh, the wind is blowing my stick here. Oh, I could just touch it. There we go. Come on, come on. Don't break, stick. There's the Tello flying through the air. I think you got 9 lives, Tello, because you have crashed so many times. So the lesson to learn is if it's windy outside, do not launch the Tello. Right now I'm in the garage and it's not windy, and it will stabilize itself in the air. Until next time, thanks for watching this video.